Hi, my Mouseketeers. It's Miss Goldman, and you're at home learning today, and I'm at school teaching you virtually right now, and then I'm going to be taking classes too, because so I can teach you even better. So let's organize this so you can see everything. I think we got it, or as close as we can, and let's go over all the way over here. So you can't see me as well. So I'm going to bring you with me, and then we'll just keep moving. I know some of you are shocked. Miss Goldman has her hair down. She only does when we're virtual because there's no face shield. And let's keep moving. And it's okay. All right, so who can tell me? As you can see, it's all on this wall. So, yeah. What season is it? My Mouseketeers, I can't hear you. That's right, it's spring. Who can tell me now? What's the weather outside today? Oh, yes, I heard you. That's right. It is cloudy. Actually, when Miss Goldman was coming today, it was raining. I know. Which is so good that you're at home because then we'd have had indoor recess. But you can still have indoor recess at home too. Or maybe if it dries up later, you can have outdoor recess. All right, so let's keep going with the calendar. So who can tell me what month is it? That's right. I heard one of you say it is May. That is correct. And who remembers what day of the week was yesterday? Right, yesterday was Tuesday. Normally we have 2 itineraries on Tuesday, but we only had one. And if you remember yesterday, we got to talk to Mo Williams and Giroux and the Humphrey brothers who wrote Piggy and Elephant. And we got to learn how to draw Piggy. So today it says no school because it's Wednesday, but we know we really do have school. And then tomorrow is Thursday, back to a normal schedule. And as you can see on Friday, you have broadcast infrastructure. Yay! Good practice before the test, because we go for the gold and we stay smart, right? Right. Okay, so let's now go back to today and read the whole calendar date. It is Wednesday, May 11th, 2022. Okay, let's go over now how many, it's a little glary, I know, how many days we've been in school. That is right. We have been in school. I heard somebody say 152 days because they can kind of see it depending on the glare. Can you see it? Can you? Yes, you can. Okay, so who can tell me, because we said 152 days, how many ones are in 152? That's right, there's two. One, two. Two ones. You can tell me how many tens are in 152. That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hundreds are in 152? That's right, only one. And as one of you noticed yesterday, we're only going to have a 1 in that number in this pouch and right here because there's only 180 days of school. I know. It'd be nice if we had more because we have the more sticks, but that's okay. And I know some of you don't want school ever to end, but that's okay too. You need your break. Now, let's do the problem of the week. I know it's going to be a little different because you're at home, so you can't really sort yourselves, but maybe you can sort yourselves by your family members who are home with you. Or you can draw a picture of the class and sort yourselves that way. So, the question of the week is a sorting question. And the question is, whose birthday is in the same month as yours? And you're going to sort yourselves into groups and find out. So remember, in May, we already know, there's 3 birthdays. 2 of them are teachers. One is mine. Remember, the 19th is coming up. All right. And moving on past the 19th, because we don't care about that, really. Or do we? Now, who can tell me what is 12 plus 5? Let's see. I'm waiting. Use your fingers if you need to. Or remember, start at 12 and add 5 more. All right. I think I heard somebody say 17. Let's see if they are correct. So first, who can tell me how many red dots do we need? It's a little hard to see. There we go. No. What number is that? Oh, I think I heard somebody say 12. Good. Let's count it. Let's see if our answer is correct. Let's see if I got enough red dots. I hope I did. Oh, they're sticking to me. Are you ready? I want to hear you counting so loud that I can hear you from your home. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God, I can't believe I actually got 12 out in that handful. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, and who can tell me how many yellows? Oh, I think I heard somebody say 5. That is correct. All right, let's also count this again. Nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Really? Okay, so we did it. 17, 16, 17. Yeah, we got 17. So if you look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now, let's count backwards. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did. Now let's count by twos. Or can we? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. We actually can't count by twos because there's extra. Look, Miss Coleman was getting all confused with this, her even right there for a moment. But she's back on track. That's right. Because you're not here to keep me on track. So hopefully you woke up on the smart side of the bed and figured it out when Miss Goldman was being silly. So now that we have done our 10 frames math problem, let's go over to the number of the day board. And who remembers the number of the day? Remember, the number of the day is the number of days we've been in school. And I think that's the closest I can get so you can see it all. Who can tell me how many days we've been in school? That's right, 152. All right, and let's back this up just teensy bit so you can see that whole number. There we go. Now let's do in tally marks. I want you to count with me. You can also make the tally marks at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152. I now know why some of you like to say your arm is tired, but it's okay. It's a good arm workout. And for those of you who want to try doing jumping jacks or our bridges or something else, you can do that for 152 seconds. Now we are going to write 152 in word form. You can do this too. So we're going to start with 1. Make sure you have a space. O-N-E. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Remember, when you're making the writing 100, your H needs to have a long tail and your N a short little tail. 100. And with another space. 50. Remember, this is a word that we're working on, so it's going to start off like 15, F-I-F-T, and end with Y, 50. Then we're going to add a hyphen, not a hyphen, but a hyphen. 2. T-W-O. Because I know there's a lot of different types of 2s that we've been learning about. We've learned that there's actually 3 different 2s. I know, it's crazy. All right, now, it's our number line. You can make your own number line at home and make it tricky and send me a picture of it. But we're going to do, for today, 149 and 159. And let's count. 149, 150, 151, 152. And that is where my magnet will go. And now let's make a number bond sentence for 152. 49. Yep, that was correct. 152. I'm just checking to make sure. Miss Goldman woke up on the smart side of the bed, not the wrong side. We want the smart side because we want to be smart. All right, so now let's make a number sentence, bond sentence for 152. I could do 100 plus 52. Now let's see who remembers. How many ones are in 152? Oh, I heard you. That's right, 2. Remember to raise your hand to get a turn. Who can tell me how many 10s? That's right, 5. I think my marker's falling asleep. No, it's running out of ink. Make sure you bring in a marker with ink for your work on the whiteboard or on your whiteboards at home. Or I shouldn't say at home, but at school. And if you need a new whiteboard marker, this is a good time to tell your parents. And there are how many hundreds in 152? Right, there's 100 and 152. All right, so now let's see. There we go. That's a little bit darker for you. Hoping you can see this. If not, Miss Goldman will get a new marker. This marker has lasted us all year. 152 days so far. Wow. 152 days old with this marker. And you're 152 days smarter. All right, who can tell me what is... Oh, I think this marker may be on its last leg. So I'm going to pause you and get a new marker. I'll be right back. You won't even know I'm gone. I'm back. Did you know I was gone? I hope not. All right. So I'll make a few of these things a little darker. So 149. Here are my jumps. There's 152. 100. And 52. For my number bond. Here's my hundreds. We'll see, maybe that black marker still has some life in it. It misses you. My mouse gets tears. All right, back to here. 10 less and 10 or less and more. So we know 152 is our number. Who can tell me how many days? What is 1 less than 152? That is right. It is 151, which was yesterday. Who can tell me what is 1 more? Oh, I heard one of you say, and you raised your hand. Good job. It's 153, which will be our number of the day tomorrow, because that'll be how many days we're in school tomorrow. Who can tell me what's 10 less? right? All we have to do is change this tens number and change it to make it become 142. And what's the last one? I heard somebody say it. Right, 162. So if you look, this one goes 151, 152, 153. Then we have 142, 152, 162. All right, let's make some math problems now. If you have some others, let me know. All right, so we know we could do 149 plus 3 equals 152. We could even do our number bond sentence. 100 plus 52 equals 152. We could even change this and make it 150 plus 2 equals 152. We could even do 151 plus 1 equals 152. You think it's more? I think we can. We could do 153 minus 1 equals 152. We could even do 142 plus 10 equals 152. Could even do 162. Oh my goodness, 162 minus 10 equals 152. I know some of you like multiplication. We'll just do some easy ones. 1 times 152 equals 152. And then I'm going to do, some of you know, because we've been learning about it, expanded form. I'm going to write 100 plus 50 plus 2 equals 152. All right, my Musketeers. This was some calendar and a little bit of math. And now you have your reading packets to work on, your math packets to work on, and then later today you can watch our new Read Aloud book because I'm going to post one for you. So, as always, be safe, be smart, and go for the gold. Bye, my Musketeers. I'll see you in person tomorrow.